Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join that group, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. This is a group with two-way communication enabled, which you can use for going ahead and clearing your queries, sharing knowledge, and also getting updated with all the stock market information at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about a dirt cheap small cap where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has acquired 1 lakh shares during the last quarter. Please go ahead and watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Orient Cement Limited, which is available at ₹45 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is ORIENTCEM. Now Orient Cement Limited engages in the manufacture and sale of cement. The company was founded on November 28, 1979 and is headquartered in New Delhi, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has not really created any major wealth for its shareholders, and over the last few weeks, it literally seems as if it has fallen off a cliff. The market cap of the company is 921.91 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 5.10 translates into a dirt cheap price to earnings ratio of 8.82, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 27.72. The price to book ratio of 0.88 is also very cheap. The company has a dividend yield of 1.67%, which is decent. However, a concerning factor for this company is its high debt to equity of 1.1720. The return on equity is also a depressed figure at 0.0924. Promoter holding for this company is also below average at 37.37%, of which 13.36% is pledged. The company seems to have corrected close to 60% from its 52-week high, and hence a lot of the correction may have already happened. Now friends, this buy is a very small position of only 1 lakh shares for Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and hence we should not be using this information for making any buy or sell decisions. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Also friends, please go ahead and join our Telegram group, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and in the description of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.